have you also heard that people that say that it's planet Earth or not probably planet Earth? Have you heard that they think right now you have people like Elon Musk wants to go to Mars? They want to take a lot of people to Mars, and they think by going to Mars it's going to help them. All I know right now is a lot of people just been doing. Margarita Munoz, thank you for joining. Pamela, thank you for joining. Princess Harley, thank you for joining. Everybody's joining right now, but nobody is kind of thinking how they can take back their career. I told your ass to go take back your career. Go to theforkreskilling.com. When you go to the Fork Reskilling, I'll be sharing step-by-step processes. I'll be giving you ebook motivation. I'll be telling you what you need to be doing. I'll be telling you how when you get back home and you're sitting on this dinner table and you're having a conversation because one person got a job, the other one don't have a job, or the both of you are about to lose a job, you need to know exactly the plans that you're going to put in place. These are the same plans that's going to help you stay together as a collective, because at the end of the day, that's what you need to be doing. You need to be saying to yourself, I see the light at the end of the tunnel. I'm going to go to the forkreskilling.com and I'm going to take back my career. There's no way around it. Dog mom, I see you. How many pets do you have? Do you know that the dogs are costing you money? Every day you go, you got to go spend money on this dog. You got to go there. You got to do that. Look, let me tell you something. You may start thinking about giving away your pets. I'm very serious about this. I see all these commercials about, save the animals and give them money. How about save the human beings? How about that? I got nothing against animals. I know in the ancient times, people actually thought the animals were like religious kind of thing. In fact, in ancient Egypt, they mummified millions and millions of animals because if you believe in reincarnation, they believe in that too. Okay, let's go. Make sure you tap in. Make sure you liking. I see somebody say they're the number one gifter. You need to be tapping in. You need to be gifting. You need to be subscribing. You need to be learning exactly what needs to happen. Okay, I appreciate your gift. The Scully, yeah, I think I talked to you. If I impacted you, do me a quick favor. See that button right there? Go ahead and tap it. When you tap it, it's going to tell you the exact processes you need to be taking right now, because at the end of the day, somebody has to make this shit make sense. It's not just me saying it's got to make sense. I'm just saying that at some point, you have to look, and you have to see exactly what you need to be doing, because your career is going down the drain right now. You're sitting around, you got all this laptop, you got all this shit, you got all these things that's in your budget, but you don't understand how it's helping and how it might impact you in the long run, because you're sitting around, you're thinking, well, I know exactly what I need to do. But truly love, thank you for joining. Appreciate you. Do me a quick favor, tap. You can see right here, I got Take Back Your Career. Go to theforkreskilling.com. I got tons of tools right there that can help you level up with yourself. I got tons of tools that you can use right now to start making sense out of nonsense. You heard me? Make sense out of nonsense, because at the end of the day, the more you understand what's happening in your neck of the woods, the more you should be able to better help yourself, the more you should be able to better help the person next door. Did you know that right now, if you were to go to some of these stores, that they have deep discounts? They got 30, 40, 50%. They're trying to get rid of all their goods. But here's the thing. They don't have replacement inventory, because 6 months ago, they were trying to order stuff for the holidays. I don't think a lot of these companies were able to order things that they needed for the holidays. Make it make sense. Tap the screen, share, like. I need this thing to get to 10,000. When it gets to 10,000, I'm going to start talking about the exact step-by-step processes you need to be doing. For example, if you wanted a digital marketing product, I'll tell you how to launch a digital marketing product. I'm also going to tell you the quickest way to start making money is for you to set up a done-for-you digital products. And I've been telling people about this done-for-you digital products for a while, but nobody's been listening. They've been sitting around, they've been gatekeeping, they've been thinking to themselves that they understand what's going on. But hey, the quickest thing to do right now is to go to theforkreskilling.com. When you go to theforkreskilling.com, you're going to see exactly done-for-you digital products that I put together. This is the same done-for-you digital products that's been helping people level up. Can I get a yes in the chat? Yes. Okay, look. Listen to me. I know you're feeling a little bit sad that you're not able to get your next job. I know you're feeling a little bit sad that right now you see your neighbors, they're selling their house, but their house can't sell because nobody got house money. Nobody got money to do shit. The interest rates are high. What they call inflation. During the inflationary period when prices are high, people start to gatekeep their money. Thank you, everybody. They try to gatekeep their money. What that means is they don't have any money to share, okay? They don't have money to buy stuff. They don't have money to do the things that y'all think everybody have money for. Because at the end of the day, it's only a select few people that have money. Only a select few people that have money. And the people that have money, they're going to keep their money tight. They're not going to spend the little money that they don't have. Makes sense, right? They're not gonna say, I'm gonna go out there and I'm gonna spend the money I don't have. Like who make that make sense? Ain't nobody gonna do that. But so if that's the case, then and people are saying that they have money, but they're not gonna spend the little money that they don't have. What do you think is gonna happen? At some point, nobody's gonna buy shit. Okay, and when people stop spending money, what do you think is gonna happen? There's nothing else to happen because everybody's like, we don't have any money, and if you don't have money, so I'm live again. I'm live sharing hacks. Okay, you know, so I'm sharing professional hacks. Okay. So that's what you got to be thinking. Though. So I'm sharing, I'm sharing good stuff. Good vibes. Okay, maybe that's what you want to hear. Good vibes. A lot of people want somebody to motivate them. There's nothing wrong with getting motivated, right? So if I'm sharing good vibes, that's what I'm sharing. Okay. So do you want good vibes, or do you want to be able to not know anything, or you just want to be able to say to yourself that you have all this thing? So yeah, I'm gonna share good vibes, and I'm gonna share all you guys. I'm gonna show you how you can actually start learning new career skills. And this is the same career skills that a lot of people have utilized to do good for themselves. They've been utilizing these career skills for a little bit. But the thing about it is, it doesn't matter what you think about your current career. You should be in a position to help yourself in the process. Yes. You should be in a position to help yourself. And what I mean by help yourself is I'm saying that at some point you need to tell yourself the truth. You need to tell yourself the truth. The gig is up. Yeah, keep going to gigs. You need to tell yourself the truth. You need to understand that your career is at risk. You see all these people out here with this badge. You remember when you want to work, and you go get a badge, and you're walking around, you're proud that you're wearing this badge, and this badge is supposed to help you get your job. Let me tell you something. That's the ultimate control. You need to take control of your own career. You don't need somebody making you feel a certain kind of way, making you think that you cannot branch out and do your own thing. That's what I'm thinking right now. Because right now, a lot of people are just in a situation where they don't understand what they should be doing. They don't understand that they have the perfect opportunity to grow a new career. Okay, it's not a career that somebody gives you. It's a career that you make. Thank you, everybody. It's a career that you make. And when you come to my life, look, listen, I'm going to need you to tap in. I'm going to need you to level up. I'm going to need you to tell me that you actually know exactly what I'm talking about, and you're able to do your own career, your career jump. Okay, because you can jump just like you see these people out here. They want to jump. They want to do a good career mix. Okay, so good level of people that are doing different kinds of jobs, but they're able to come together as a collective and work towards a shared goal. And that's the key. Can you work towards a shared goal? Because if you can, that's the first step. The second step, you need to be able to actually tell yourself that you actually want to do good. Okay, and how do you do good? You do good by actually taking action. You do good by saying you're committed to yourself, because when you do these affirmations, it makes people understand your situation. Because when you're not doing these affirmations, you just kind of basically flying in the midst of things. And when you fly in the midst of things, it doesn't lead to anything. So if you have technical skills, if you want to learn how to sell merch, if you want to learn how to do e-commerce, it doesn't matter what it is you're trying to do. I can help you in that process. And that's what I've been doing, helping thousands of people in this process, getting them motivated, getting them dedicated, telling them exact step-by-step processes they need to be taken. Because right now is your time. Right now is your time to get that career change going, because you need to learn about digital products. You need to learn about marketing. You need to learn about how to be an auto repair shop person. You need to know how to cut grass. I don't care what it is. Those are careers. You start the business and you make it work, right? Yes. Okay. All right, y'all. That's what I wanted to come talk. I motivate a couple of people. I hope you guys get some good from my motivation speech. But what you need to do now is to look within yourself. Look within your azimuth. Look within what's going on in your community, and do good by yourself. Okay. That